Today we decided to come to Whites Bay, and it was supposed to be a fine day, and it's actually raining, so we'll have a look around in the rain. So this is Whites Bay, and I don't know if you can hear this or not. I'm holding an umbrella up, but that rain is really coming down, and it has hardly rained in Marlborough for a long time, so it's a bit of a novelty to actually see it. But yeah, Whites Bay, isn't it amazing? Even on a horrible day, but I'm sure it would have been even better if the sun was shining. So at Whites Bay, there's actually a cable station. And so from this bay, on the 26th of August in 1866, the first telegraph link was established between the North and South Islands when a cable was landed from Lyall Bay near Wellington. And between 1867 and 1873, station staff operated from the adjacent building, supporting a small settlement. The station retained an operator, linesman, until 1895. Then this building was actually restored in 1977. Wow, I didn't know this was here. So this is a place called Robin Hood Bay. It stopped raining. Got the rain at Whites Bay, but not here. But anyway, there's not a lot here. There is a camping area, another dock campsite, but it's just I don't know. I love the roar of the ocean, so it's pretty spectacular, really. But this beach is a bit like Rarangi, where it's not a sand beach; it's more stones and rocks. So yeah, not the nicest to go for a walk on either. Road between Whites Bay and Robin Hood Bay, wow, that's that was pretty horrendous. So because it's been raining, obviously there's no dust, I've got to put up with mud. Wow. Look, I think I would rather put up with dust any day. Look at my truck. Well, I spoke too soon about the rain. It's come back again. Anyway, we've just driven a little bit further around the road, and I have to revise my opinion on Robin Hood Bay. There is actually a sandy beach, and it's really nice and sheltered, and it is actually really beautiful. So have a look at this. This is a bay called Ocean Bay that we've stopped at along the Port Underwood road, and it's just a gorgeous little sheltered area. Such a shame that I've got the umbrella up still because it is raining here as well, but what a beautiful sheltered bay. So driving along this road, the Port Underwood road, I can't believe how many small bays there are that we've come across. Past a few that we didn't go into, but now we're at a place called Oyster Bay, and it's such a beautiful sheltered spot, and there's quite a bit of a settlement here and a lot of boats out on the water as well. But have a look at this bay. is a place called Karaka Point Reserve. Isn't it stunning? Just some beautiful views around here. You just can't beat the Marlborough Sounds, really. So we've just done that whole trip through the Port Underwood road from Rarangi and ended up at Waikawa Bay just outside of Picton. And you can't beat this place either, really. It's really beautiful. Thankfully the rain has stopped at the moment, so yeah, we'll have a look at Waikawa Bay. Oh, and look at the state of my truck now after having gone through that gravel road after it's been raining, and while it was raining. It is a mess. So that was today's adventure, was the drive up the Port Underwood road, stopping off at some of the bays, and wow, there's some stunning bays along that road as well. I've never really spent much time in the Marlborough Sounds despite having come from this area, so I've just been really pleased that I've got out to see them, and yeah, they're just stunning, absolutely beautiful. It was a bit of a shame about the rain today, but oh well, you got to take these days occasionally, so it didn't really detract from the trip. It's just the views would have been better if there had been some sunshine. Unfortunately, we got into a cloud a couple of times, but never mind. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, then, give it the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the notification button. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.